Hey, this is Sandy. I have another recipe from Simply Earth's new Bath and Spa DIY Hero Kit. These are bubble bath bars. What you would do is you would hold them under the water and break off a piece and let the bubbles come. So it's different than liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wet ingredients. There's Castile soap and essential oils and coconut oil in here, and I'm going to slowly mix it into my dry ingredients to form a paste. One of the ingredients is called SLSA powder. You really should wear a mask when you use it. I've already mixed it into my other dry ingredients here, but I do use a mask because even if I'm not mixing it, I can still feel it in my lungs. So you want to just be mindful of that when you're using the SLSA powder. This is gonna, looks like it might take a hot minute to mix together. Give me just a second. Okay, so I got everything mixed together. I actually separated 3 bowls out, and I added some mica powder, different color mica powders, and I am slowly getting them put into the molds. So I had to work quickly while my husband made coffee. So let me go ahead and get these all in the mold, and then I'll get back with you. Okay, I'm back. I have pressed these into the molds. I actually used this little bowl, the bottom of it, to press it in really well. So these need to be in a cool, dry area for about 3 days so that they can solidify. Again, you would run the bar under running water, break off a piece, and let it create bubbles. This is a bubble bar from the Simply Earth Bath and Spa Hero Kit. I will leave the link below with a 10% off coupon code. If you have questions, please leave those below as well. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. And again, you could make these for a sleepover. They might be even fun to give out as like gifts when like during a baby shower or whatever. You could change whatever scents you wanted. I used let me tell you what scent I used, the Joyful Awakening scent that has happy joy and lavender in it. You can use any essential oil combination or single oil that you want to use, and that's it. Have a great day.